Hey everyone. So PlayStation just launched a new update this morning allowing cloud streaming directly onto the PlayStation portal. So this is going to be one of my first videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of handheld gaming and a lot of mobile PC gaming, things like that on this channel. So if you do like what I do today, give me a like, follow, subscribe, and I'm going to have more in the future here. But I wanted to get right into the video and show start to finish of opening, cloud streaming, and getting right into a game from a slept PlayStation portal. So here we go. I'll go in my thoughts over it too, as well as the quality. So far, so good. After you do the update, there's two icons. You switch over to the right, and once it's enabled, you do have to go into your settings to enable it. It'll be under settings, and then there'll be a cloud streaming beta section here. So you need to go into there, make sure you turn that on and hit enable on there. And then once you do that, you can go to the home screen, and then there'll be an option. There'll now be a home screen under this tab to go between the two different icons here. So there's the PlayStation 5, and then this is going to be the app icon here. So let's open that. So this is opening from basically cold right into a game. Let's see, I've already fired these up. One thing I did notice is that you have to make sure that your cloud saves are already uploaded and updated from the PlayStation itself. So if you're not actively uploading your cloud saves, both of these games started without the save data that I've had already, and I've got almost 200 hours in Wild Hearts and something similar to Ghost of Tsushima from the PS4 version. So when you do launch into cloud streaming, make sure your games are updated if it's a game that you haven't played for the first time, because it does seem to be some kind of disparity between the save states. So here we go, launching Ghost of Tsushima. It's gonna prep, and I'll try to get a good shot of the quality here too as well. I have to admit, I'm pleasantly surprised, and I'm thinking it's a lot stronger than what I've seen on the Xboxes. So yeah, here, this is right into the game, and it's really hard to showcase the quality here, but this is phenomenal. The quality is looking better than whenever the portal is streaming from the PlayStation, it seems. And it's been a long time since I played, so I don't remember any of the buttons. But yeah, you can get a look at Jen. I mean, the quality looks really, really solid. I'm pretty surprised at how great it is, honestly. So let's see if we can run out here, try to get into an area with more things going on in it, see if we can bog down the system at all. But looking outside the camera, looking directly at the screen itself, I'm really blown away by how, like, the quality is impressive. It looks better than when I'm streaming directly from the PlayStation. Yeah, you can see like movement and everything too. There's not really any lag or anything like that either. Flames on the screen, not getting any kind of breakdown. Movement, grass textures, and I'm covered in mud now. Like, I'm really surprised that I'm not seeing any kind of latency or buffering. This feels almost native. It's really wild to me. This feels way stronger than Xbox streaming. Streaming. I mean, I was just using the Steam Deck last night to stream Dragon Age Inquisition from Xbox Game Pass, and I'm blown away by the difference in the quality in this. This feels like a different system today. I don't know what they did in the update exactly, but yeah. Let's fire some arrows. Really, really solid. Let's see what riding the horse does. Maybe we can, I'm so surprised. Maybe get it to some kind of stress state to where, okay, here's a combat. And like you can see, like the quality is really, really good. Yeah, I don't even remember how to play, so just get out of here. Because I literally don't remember how to play. It's been 2-3 years. It's going back to a game that you just don't remember the controls on. Yeah, wow. I think that if you haven't picked up a Portal yet and you're thinking about doing it, this might be like the nudge into getting into it, especially if you do any kind of traveling. Like, this is really, really looking strong here. I'm gonna do some more testing over the week, and I'm gonna probably do some. Okay, now we heal that way. I'm gonna probably do some testing on like maybe hotspots and take it some places and see if I can get some video there and stuff. But this is insanely good to me. Like, this is like beyond playable. This feels native almost to the system. This is the internet's crazy. I've got pretty decent internet. I think it's like 600 megabyte internet speeds, almost a gig, and you know, I've been doing streaming and stuff like that to these consoles and using the Portal basically since launch, and I haven't seen it be this consistently good since I've owned it. So, but yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little video and kind of jumpstart this YouTube channel and see if I can kind of get in on some of this early Portal streaming. And man, I have to admit, this is crazy. So here, you know, like the pause, everything's like super responsive too. Like that's to me is crazy. The latency has gone down so much that, you know, it's almost hard to notice the latency. Maybe in like a first-person shooter you'll notice it, but this is the closest I've seen to not feeling the latency at all. This is really starting to feel native. So, oh, that's right, you change the stances this way. Okay. Yeah, this really feels, I mean, look how, like, Jin's, like, completely covered in water. Or mud. So let's see. Cleaned off here. Look at the water. Like, there's no buffering I'm seeing at all. Like, I mean, wow. I mean, Netflix could learn a thing or two from this, right? Like, it looks really fantastic. And if you get the chance to pick up a Portal now, I mean, for a dedicated streaming device, you know, to your PS5 is one thing, but now you can do cloud streaming with over 150 titles, I believe it is, 120 or 150 titles, and then more to be added. I'm legitimately surprised, and I could definitely say, like, with the price point being so low for a PlayStation Portal, I highly recommend this. You know, here, before we get off here, let's switch games, and I'll show you what it's like to close out a game here. So hit the tab up here. You can see there's the, you can close the game from up here, and then you could also hit the home button and it'll take you out too. You can change the resolution as well too. You could drop down to 720 if you're having some kind of, like, you know, latency issues. It might help you with your connection. But it's been at 1080p the whole time. I haven't seen any frame drops either, so I assume it's running at 60. Or yeah, I haven't seen any drops or anything like that, so I imagine it's running at 60. But you know, here, let's open up that menu again, and then, like, here, let's quit a game and see how quickly it goes to close. And let's launch it. Let's launch another game and see how quickly it takes us to get into the game. Let's do Like a Dragon Ishin. All right. Stream. I haven't played this on the PlayStation either, so there'd be no save data issues with this too. So let's see how quickly it goes from start to finish. Preparing. And then we'll probably wrap the video up after this, but I really think that this is a solid choice if anybody's interested in getting into a cloud streaming thing. Even if, you know, you don't have a PlayStation anymore, you know, if you don't own a PlayStation, you could literally get a $200 solid first party device and, you know, sign up for PlayStation Plus and literally stream games. Look at this. Yeah, we're in the game already. Yeah, I don't think you can go wrong with this. I definitely recommend it. So I'm going to wrap up the video here, though. If you guys do have any comments or any questions that you'd like to see in a future video, by all means, go ahead and, like, ask them down there, and I'll go through and answer. Like I said, I'm new to doing YouTube videos, but I'm really passionate about this stuff. I'm going to do, like, some more mod videos. Like, you know, here's my Steam Deck, for instance. This is one of the extreme rate shells for the OLED that they sent to me early. And you can see this is a full shell swap on the OLED Steam Deck. And then even the newer shells that they have for the Switch, you know, this is the OLED Switch too, and these are really cool too, really sturdy. I'm going to give my thoughts on those later too. So if you guys are into mobile handheld gaming, definitely check out the channel and hit subscribe, and looking forward to doing more videos. And thanks for everybody that stuck through it. You know, hopefully these will get better. But yeah, have a good day.